begin this bulletin with breaking news coming in from battleground Bihar. It seems Rahul Gandhi, who was speaking at a rally today in Muzaffarpur, made certain comments about Prime Minister Modi and considering them disrespectful and insulting. Now BJP is hitting back. Now Rahul had said that Prime Minister Modi will dance for votes if required, and BJP is now tearing into that comment made by Rahul Gandhi. BJP has said that Rahul speaks like a local goon. They also said that Rahul Gandhi has insulted the poor who voted for the Prime Minister. In fact, Haryana Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini said that Congress itself is the one that is dancing. It is the India bloc that is dancing. Rahul Gandhi had said that Prime Minister Modi can dance on the stage if required for gathering votes. Now, it is clearly indication of how the Bihar poll campaigning is turning extremely personal. Let's listen to what Rahul Gandhi said.
ड्रामा कर रहे हैं कि भैया देखो मैं यमुना जी में नहाया हूं, वहां पे कोई यमुना जी नहीं है, वहां पे तालाब है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी अपने स्विमिंग पूल में नहाने गए, तालाब में नहाने गए। उनको यमुना से कुछ लेना देना नहीं, उनको छठ पूजा से कुछ लेना देना नहीं। उन्हें सिर्फ आपका वोट चाहिए। अगर आप कहोगे नरेंद्र मोदी जी आप ऐसा ड्रामा करो वोट के लिए, वो कर देंगे। जो भी करवाना है करवा लो। मैं कह रहा हूं आप उनको कहो कि देखो भैया हम आपको वोट देंगे, आप स्टेज पे आके नाच लो, वो नाच लेंगे। नाच लेंगे, कह रहा हूं आप कोशिश करो। मोदी जी आइए, स्टेज पे आइए, भाषण मत दीजिए, डांस कर दीजिए, हम आपको वोट देंगे, देखना कर देंगे। जो भी करवाना है करवा लो चुनाव से पहले। जो भी करवाना है चुनाव से पहले करवा लो। चुनाव के बाद नरेंद्र मोदी नहीं दिखाई देंगे।
Heard Congress's leader Rahul Gandhi speaking there during a rally in Bihar. This is a joint rally where Tejasvi Yadav was also on stage, and the Deputy Chief Minister face Mukesh Sahni was also there. The kind of language that has been used by Rahul Gandhi in reference to Prime Minister Modi is now facing backlash. You just heard Rahul Gandhi saying that you can make Prime Minister Modi do anything you want for the votes, and now BJP is hitting back and saying that it is actually the India bloc, the Mahagathbandhan people who are dancing, and they are raising questions on the kind of language that has been used for Prime Minister. In fact, they're saying that Rahul Gandhi is speaking like a local goon. The kind of language that he is using for the Prime Minister of India is shocking as far as BJP is saying. So let's listen to what exactly, once again, Rahul has said.
ड्रामा कर रहे हैं कि भैया देखो मैं यमुना जी में नहाया हूं, वहां पे कोई यमुना जी नहीं है, वहां पे तालाब है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी अपने स्विमिंग पूल में नहाने गए, तालाब में नहाने गए। उनको यमुना से कुछ लेना देना नहीं, उनको छठ पूजा से कुछ लेना देना नहीं। उन्हें सिर्फ आपका वोट चाहिए। अगर आप कहोगे नरेंद्र मोदी जी आप ऐसा ड्रामा करो वोट के लिए, वो कर देंगे। जो भी करवाना है करवा लो। मैं कह रहा हूं आप उनको कहो कि देखो भैया हम आपको वोट देंगे, आप स्टेज पे आके नाच लो, वो नाच लेंगे। नाच लेंगे, कह रहा हूं आप कोशिश करो। मोदी जी आइए, स्टेज पे आइए, भाषण मत दीजिए, डांस कर दीजिए, हम आपको वोट देंगे, देखना कर देंगे। जो भी करवाना है करवा लो चुनाव से पहले। जो भी करवाना है चुनाव से पहले करवा लो। चुनाव के बाद नरेंद्र मोदी नहीं दिखाई देंगे।
And joining us right now on the phone line is BJP spokesperson Tom Vadakkan. Thank you very much for speaking with India today. You just heard the comments made by Rahul Gandhi. It seems the battle for Bihar is getting a little bit too intense.
Well, he can get passionate, or he can go into hallucination. That doesn't matter. But the point here is, somebody who's a puppet of Soros will play the same fine tune. He does it everywhere. So it doesn't shock us, because essentially that's the mindset. This man is operating at a level where his brain doesn't function. and he takes his instruction from international organizations led by Soros. So he will say all sorts of things, and but if it is the case that by dancing you get votes, why doesn't he dance himself and procure those votes? So let him do this experiment with himself, because then if that is the key to winning votes in India, then I think he should do a cabaret dance before the public, because what he says in his speech, nobody understands and nobody is interested
Mr.
to understand.
Vadakkan?
So I think, yes.
Let's also look at the context to where he said it. He is accusing Prime Minister Modi of orchestrating the Chhath Puja celebrations, which he eventually did not go for. The Delhi Chhath Puja, which was planned, and then the whole dip that had to take place in an artificially made pond. So his accusation underneath this language is that it is only drama that is being done in the name of Chhath Puja and playing with the emotions of Biharis.
This drama company that is called the Congress is well known for all this activity. This is only a reflection of what they think and what they do. We have heard that his mother wanted to become the Prime Minister of India and was rejected at the highest level. It was a great sacrifice to this country. This kind of drama has been going on. So, I mean, no credit to their enterprising drama exercise. So we know what they are doing and why they are doing it, because they have realized that they have been reduced to almost zero in political sphere. So that has affected them, and they still want to blow their trumpet, trying to say that, well, you know, it is somebody is dancing and somebody is jumping and somebody is dramatizing all this. Why don't you do it and get votes if you can?
Another question that I'd like to ask you is, it's quite interesting. These are the elections of a state assembly, and the face is Nitish Kumar. But we see Rahul Gandhi attacking the Prime Minister here. Why do you think so, sir?
Because he knows Nitish Kumar has done a good job, and he has a great place. He feels that it is Modi ji who is his competitor, and that's the biggest mistake he's made. Even our smaller leaders are competent to take on Rahul Gandhi at any stage. But he is trying to use the name of Prime Minister Modi ji to just standardize himself to that level, which he is not. He is just on crutches of Soros. So, I mean, whatever he may do, he may hang himself upside down, but he won't reach the heights that our Prime Minister is, nationally and internationally.
Right. Thank you very much for speaking with India Today, Mr. Vadakkan. So there you heard the BJP spokesperson accusing Rahul Gandhi of not being able to understand the Prime Minister and using a language that is not suited to him. Now let's once again listen to what exactly did Rahul Gandhi say from a stage while campaigning in Bihar.
ड्रामा कर रहे हैं कि भैया देखो मैं यमुना जी में नहाया हूं, वहां पे कोई यमुना जी नहीं है, वहां पे तालाब है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी अपने स्विमिंग पूल में नहाने गए, तालाब में नहाने गए। उनको यमुना से कुछ लेना देना नहीं, उनको छठ पूजा से कुछ लेना देना नहीं। उन्हें सिर्फ आपका वोट चाहिए। अगर आप कहोगे नरेंद्र मोदी जी आप ऐसा ड्रामा करो वोट के लिए, वो कर देंगे। जो भी करवाना है करवा लो। मैं कह रहा हूं आप उनको कहो कि देखो भैया हम आपको वोट देंगे, आप स्टेज पे आके नाच लो, वो नाच लेंगे। नाच लेंगे, कह रहा आप कोशिश करो। मोदी जी आइए, स्टेज पे आइए, भाषण मत दीजिए, डांस कर दीजिए, हम आपको वोट देंगे, देखना कर देंगे। जो भी करवाना है करवा लो चुनाव से पहले। जो भी करवाना है चुनाव से पहले करवा लो। चुनाव के बाद नरेंद्र मोदी नहीं दिखाई देंगे।